All right, slow down, squad. What you are looking at is the Birdman. I'm the Birdman. I'm the real Birdman. Feel me? I'm the real Birdman. You know what I'm saying? Let's just say I wanted to go on a raw meat diet rant. You know what I'm saying? Like I wanted to go on a raw meat diet rant. I could really go on a raw meat diet rant. You know what I'm saying? A lot of motherfuckers talk the raw meat diet shit, bro. A lot of motherfuckers talk that shit. But all my subscribers that been fucking with me for a while now, they know I'm the Birdman. So I'm gonna do some Birdman shit for y'all niggas real quick, man. Hold on, man. We're gonna do some Birdman shit for y'all right quick, man. We're gonna do some Birdman shit for y'all. Let's do some Birdman shit for y'all, man. It's that Birdman shit. It's that Birdman shit right here, man. Let me move this among y'all the way, man. It's that real Birdman shit right here, man. I want to talk about this raw meat diet shit, man. Y'all niggas be bluffing. Y'all niggas be bluffing. Y'all be just talking. That shit be sounding good, dog. All I feed is my dog raw. Yeah, that shit sound good. Real motherfucking Birdman, nigga. Real motherfucking Birdman. Slow down, Swab. Somebody comment down below and tell me how long I've been doing this shit. For the new niggas, put it on me. For the new niggas and the niggas that think I be copying them and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Slow down, squad. I need somebody to drop a comment down below how long I've been the Birdman. I'm a Birdman. I really do this shit, nigga. Fuck y'all niggas talking about. I really do this shit. Fuck y'all talking about, man. Nigga, this about $100 worth of wings in the grocery store, nigga. These wings, nigga, you know how much the wings. About $100 worth of wings right here, nigga. I'm the real. $200 worth of wings. Nigga. $300 worth of wings. You gonna put that right there. $400 worth of wings, nigga. 500. 600. 700. 800. 9. 1,000. We ain't done, man. Come on, let's go upstairs. We ain't motherfucking done. We ain't fucking done. Go upstairs. I ain't done.
Alright, listen to this, y'all. Large right family.
And you know that food wasn't for your bitch ass, nigga. Go up the steps. Fuck, boy.
Damn you.
Fuck, I'm doing that shit on purpose. I ain't tell you to go eat.
That's my mom. That's my mom taught to mommy. Mom, I take a picture.
Okay.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Let them hunt it. 12, 13, 14. Oh, man, I'm the real motherfucking Birdman, nigga. I'm the real Birdman, nigga. These shit down there, they so goddamn. You know what I mean? They in there. Then you come over here for the dogs, nigga. This shit for the dogs. I forgot to soak this. Hold on. I forgot to soak this. It's for the dogs right here. This for the dogs. See it right there? You know what I'm saying? It's for the dogs. Clean your chicken too. Just like if you was to eat that shit. You know what I'm saying? Now I ain't making a video. I ain't making a raw meat diet video. I'm just letting y'all know. if I really wanted to, like, pop my shit, if I really wanted to act like I was better than everybody, you know what I'm saying? I'd have been done that shit, nigga. I'm humble with this shit, nigga. You feel me? My time will come. I stay 10 toes down and I do what I do. But my time will come and y'all gonna see. What else I got? I think that's about it. To the damn, y'all, pardon me. To the next scene. You know the All right, slow down squad. So what I'm about to get ready to do is, go over here, feed these idiots to the top of the cage. You dig? Get them out the way. Rinse these dirty ass bowls out right quick, now. Put some dog food in there. And put some motherfucking raw chicken in there. I ain't doing no raw meat diet. I ain't blending, I ain't mixing. It's only for the puppy. Not for them big dogs. They about to just eat like gorillas. So, to the next scene. You know the motto. I just did some shit the dogs do. What? Now watch this shit. Watch this. Watch this. Slow down squad, y'all. Once again, y'all comment down below how long I been the bird, man. How long I been doing this with this chicken, man. How long I been doing this shit with the chicken. What buddy say? What buddy say? You supposed to be the soldier boy of the dog gang. Yeah, nigga. How about that? Yeah, nigga. Shit, what you about to do is make me start running with that shit, little nigga. What you about to do, make me start running with that shit. You heard? Now I'm about to tell y'all what's about to be the most dumbest shit that y'all ever gonna see, right? Now, Sarabi got beat up again by Lucifer, right? Now, I'm finna put this in two different places. Sarabi and Vito don't fight. Lucifer will fight everybody. Watch how dumb this shit is. You gonna have to walk up here. Watch this shit. Watch this dumb ass shit. Get down. Get down. Get down. Don't come back over here. Wait till I'm done. Wait till I'm done. Now watch this dumbass shit. They food gonna be right there, right? And that dumbass just chained up, showing how to act. Get out of my way. Move. Move. Don't sit there. Move. 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 Man, I'm about to fuck you up. Stop. Calm your fucking hyper ass the fuck down. Stop. Now let's see what I'm really trying to see. is if we walk away, are these two idiots gonna go over there to her that they know she's gonna bite them? I wanna see it. This is gonna be the dumbest shit. This is, listen, this is what, up here, these are three stooges. You know what I'm saying? Remember I told y'all Meech is slow? You know what I'm saying? He not dumb, he's slow. You know what I mean? He's like he's in special ed. You know what I'm saying? You know the classes they get with when it's like 3-4 different teachers in it? That's him. But them, that right there, and that right there, they're just extra dumb. So this is special ed. Everything up here is special ed. This is when if you ever bring a dog to my house and the dog is over a year old and the dog still shits and pisses in the house, it comes to special ed class. Cause everybody in here slow. That's how that go. Now I just gotta get their water.
See if they're gonna do what they do.
Well, so far ain't nobody being dumb, so.
No, in the beginning when you walked over there, they followed you over there.
Oh,
They
for
tried to
real?
get it, yeah. But since you yelled, that's why they ran back over there. But if you didn't yell, they would have went over there and been stupid.
Well, so far they did all right. Except for that one dumb move. Well, that's just what it is, so. Guess we'll have to listen to see if anything happened. But why are you holding it up so high?
Because I'm all the way down here. I wanted to make it level.
So I guess if we hear some fighting, some barking and shit, we know what's going on. About to go in the house, wash my hands. Well, no, I'm not about to wash my hands because I got to feed everybody else. I'm tripping. More feeding to the next thing. You know the motto.